in today's video, I am gonna build a budget gaming PC just because I wanted to, and it's fun for me, so yeah, enjoy. What we got here is a Z87A from Asus. It is a very decent LGA 1150 motherboard that allows overclocking on the CPU and RAM, which is perfect for today's CPU. I was able to snag this motherboard for only $50. Now for the CPU, I actually snagged this i7-4770K for only $90. It is overclockable and it still has great gaming performance even at stock in 2021. Now for the CPU cooler, I decided to go with this Johnspo 2 RGB fan cooler that I got for $22. Although it looks nice and it looks beefy, and I thought it could handle the CPU perfectly fine even at overclock settings, it was not. It just looks nice, so don't buy this. Now for the RAM, I actually got this 4x4 kit DDR3 RAM for only $50. 16GB is more than enough for 2021 gaming, and since it's 4 sticks, it's gonna fill up all the RAM slots, so it makes your whole build look a lot nicer. Now for the boot drive, I decided to use this 256GB SSD that I got for $40. Like I said in my other videos, 256GB is enough to store Windows as well as a couple of esports titles. And of course, all my PC build has to at least have 500GB hard drive, which is why I picked up this 500GB hard drive for only $20. Now for the graphics card, I was able to pick this GTX 950 2GB for $90. Although it's a little bit more than what I would pay usually for it, but during these times, I think $90 to $80 for this card is reasonable, considering it still gets newer driver updates and the performance is right below a GTX 1050 while consuming not that much power. Now to power the whole thing, I decided to get this 500W EVGA 80+ bronze power supply that I got brand new for $42 at Canada Computers. 500W is more than enough to power a GTX 950 because I seen my friend use a 350W really crap cheapo power supply to power it. Now for the case, I decided to grab this Corsair Carbide Series Spec-05 case with one red LED fan in the front for only $45. I also installed one blue LED fan as well as a back exhaust fan so I could match the color scheme of the build. Now for the Funko Pop of choice, I decided to use this Wonder Woman from Batman v Superman Funko Pop that I got for $10. It matches with the color scheme very well because I have one blue LED fan, one red LED fan, and the motherboard is gold. Now I'll show you a price tally of this build, and I strongly recommend you to not build a PC like this and then get to the time lapse and then the numbers. Overall, this PC build was pretty fun for me because I got to try out a lot of new things, but I definitely would not recommend you to go outside and build a PC like this for yourself at this price range anyways, so I'm not gonna leave any link down in the description. With that being said, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, click on that like button. If you don't, I don't know, don't click on it. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends, I guess, if you want. Bye.